Welcome back to MC Auto. Today we're diving into something truly special, the return of a legend. Maserati has just revealed the 2026 Maserati MC12, a hypercar that revives the spirit of one of the most iconic models in the brand's history. The original MC12 was a road-going marvel that dominated the track and captured imaginations everywhere. Now, Maserati has taken that legacy and reimagined it for the modern era, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and brutal performance. Let's explore everything that makes the 2026 MC12 one of the most exciting hypercars on the planet. The exterior is the first thing that grabs you, and Maserati has once again created something that looks more like rolling art than a car. The 2026 MC12 is sleek, wide, and impossibly low to the ground, designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Every angle, every vent, and every curve serves a purpose. The front end features sharp LED matrix headlights integrated into a sweeping nose, paired with an aggressive carbon fiber splitter that channels air with precision. The long sculpted hood pays homage to the original MC12 but updates it with futuristic styling cues. Moving to the sides, the car features dramatic air intakes and flowing lines that not only look stunning but also feed air into the powerful engine. The rear is a masterpiece, dominated by an active rear wing, a massive diffuser, and a set of centrally mounted exhausts that look as aggressive as they sound. With extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight alloys, Maserati has kept the weight impressively low, ensuring performance is as thrilling as its looks. Step inside the 2026 MC12, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends luxury with raw motorsport DNA. This is not a car designed for comfort alone, it's built to make you feel like a racer the moment you strap in. The cockpit is minimalist but high-tech, dominated by carbon fiber panels, Alcantara surfaces, and lightweight materials. The steering wheel is inspired by Formula One, packed with controls for driving modes, performance settings, and quick adjustments. A large digital driver display provides real-time telemetry, lap timing, and performance data, while a secondary screen handles navigation and infotainment. Maserati hasn't forgotten about luxury, though. The seats, sculpted for support during high-speed driving, are wrapped in fine leather and Alcantara, offering just the right mix of elegance and functionality. It's a driver-focused environment, but one that still carries Maserati's signature touch of Italian sophistication. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Maserati MC12 is nothing short of breathtaking. At its heart is a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain derived from Maserati's Formula E expertise, paired with electric motors for instant torque. Together, the system produces a staggering 850 horsepower, sending power to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system. With a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the MC12 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. The hybrid system isn't just about power, it also allows for short all-electric driving in urban environments, making this hypercar surprisingly versatile for daily use. The adaptive suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and advanced aerodynamics all work in harmony to deliver a driving experience that's razor-sharp on the track yet controllable and refined on the road. Features on the 2026 MC12 are as advanced as you'd expect from a modern hypercar. Multiple drive modes let the driver tailor the experience, from full electric mode for city driving to track-focused settings that unlock the car's maximum performance. Active aerodynamics adjust in real time to maximize downforce or reduce drag, depending on the situation. The infotainment system, while secondary to the car's performance focus, supports wireless connectivity, smartphone integration, and high-quality audio for when you want to cruise in style. Safety features include advanced traction control, adaptive stability systems, and driver assist technology, ensuring the immense power remains manageable in any condition. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Maserati MC12 is not a car for everyone, and Maserati is keeping production extremely limited to maintain exclusivity. Prices are expected to start around $2 million, with higher costs for bespoke options and customization. That positions it firmly in the territory of ultra-exclusive hypercars, competing with the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Pagani. For collectors and enthusiasts, it's not just a car, it's an investment, a statement, and a piece of modern automotive history. The 2026 Maserati MC12 is a true rebirth of a legend, blending Italian artistry with state-of-the-art engineering and raw, unfiltered speed. From its breathtaking exterior and motorsport-inspired interior to its blistering hybrid performance and futuristic features, this car represents the pinnacle of what Maserati can achieve. It's more than a hypercar, it's a symbol of Maserati's ambition to once again stand among the giants of the automotive world. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Maserati MC12. What do you think? Does it live up to the legend of the original, or has it created an entirely new one of its own? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MC Auto for more detailed reviews of the most incredible machines on four wheels.